Welcome to May 4 through May 8, Day 3 of ESOL instruction for newcomers grades 6 through 8. It's your teacher, Mr. Ebeling. This presentation is based on the grades 6 through 8 newcomer ESOL May 4 to May 8 Day 3 paper packet. These paper packets can be picked up at meal distribution centers throughout Baltimore. The center closest to Highlandtown Elementary Middle School is John Rura Elementary School. The school address is 701 Rapola Street, Baltimore, Maryland 21224. This week's theme is perseverance. Don't give up. Look at the picture. How are all of the objects, cup, match, spoon, and fork, balancing on the table? Try this at home. When I look at this photo, I notice a fork stuck together with a spoon, balancing on a match, balancing on a glass of water. I wonder why these things are balanced this way. I was not able to do this at my home. Read each new word below and look at the picture to understand its meaning. Look up the word in a bilingual dictionary to write it in your language. The words are force, contact, system, and pair. Pairs of contact forces. Systems include pairs of contact forces acting in opposite directions. Examples include doing a high five, or a ladder leaning against the wall, or an object sitting on a table. All contact forces, whether they are pushes or pulls, come in pairs or twos. The shoe is pushing down on the floor, and the floor is pushing up on the shoe. Look around the room or look outside. Give an example of two objects applying contact force on each other. Blank and blank. Make a drawing of these objects using arrows to show the direction of these forces. Remember that since forces always come in pairs, for every arrow you draw, there should be another one pointing in the opposite direction. Look at the picture below. Give an example of two objects applying pull contact forces on each other. Make a drawing showing these forces using arrows to show the direction of these forces. Where are the push forces in the spoon and fork activity? Make a drawing showing these forces. Draw and label the arrows. Finish the sentences about pairs of contact forces. 1. The shoe and the floor are pairs of contact forces. 2. Blank and blank are pairs of contact forces. 3. Now write the sentence again. Look at the system. It includes a hammer, rope, rulers, tables, and the earth. With an adult's permission and supervision, recreate the system in your home. In the table below, write a plus sign if the objects are a contact pair or a minus sign if the objects are not a contact pair. In the diagram below, draw arrows to represent contact forces. Today's objective was to carry out investigations to understand the components in a system and to identify the forces that act between pairs of objects in a system. 1. What is one thing you learned from this lesson? 2. What is one thing you are still curious about? Final steps for Mr. Ebeling. 1. If you are in my Google Classroom, you can either send me a picture of your completed work there or edit the PDF that is in Google Classroom. 2. If you are unable to join Google Classroom, take a picture of your completed packet and text it to me. If you do not have a packet, write your answers on your paper and then text it to me. 3. My classroom code for Google is XUZFSOB. My number to text me is 410-645-0593. Please do not text after 8 p.m. My email is taebeling@bcps.k12.md.us. This is the end of this presentation. Please complete as much as the packet as you can if you have one. More presentations will be posted as they are created. Remember to be safe, stay 6 feet away from people when you are away from your home, and wash hands as often as you can. Goodbye for now, Mr. Ebeling.